Hey guys, this is Gloria. So, welcome back to Saturday Morning Crafts, hosted by Betty and Markisha. This is episode number 3. As you guys know, what we do on Saturday Morning Crafts is that we come and we share with you guys things that we've created using our stash pretty much, whether that be dyes or our electronic cutting machines, different things like that. But the purpose of this is to inspire you to pull out those things that you already have and to just have fun crafting. So this particular month, what I've used is this paper from Tuesday Morning, and this is Basil cardstock, and it's a heavy weight cardstock. This is called Pink Fairy, and it is in a 12 by 12 pack of 25. And I love picking up Basil paper from Tuesday Morning because it is super thick, very durable, very strong paper, and it cuts in my my cutting machines as well as my dies very easily. The other paper that I used was Petals and Blooms, and this came from Hobby Lobby, and as you can see, it has all the pretty black and white stripes as well as all the beautiful florals. And I'm sure everybody has seen this, and I've just been kind of working through this pack, and I love this pack, absolutely love it. So let me share with you guys what I've created this particular time around. So I created this Maggie Holmes inspired box, and I used my Silhouette Cameo to create this, and I'll take you around the tops and the top and the sides, and share with you guys everything that I created on here. So this is a ribbon either from Michaels or Hobby Lobby, and I just created this Maggie Holmes inspired bow to put on top. This is some sequin trim that comes from Hobby Lobby. This is a printable from Maggie Holmes that I printed on my HP Envy printer. And then this is a little banner right back here that I also printed. Everything that you'll see on here was actually printed with my HP Envy printer, and I love using printables, as you guys know. So that is the top. So the first side looks like this, and all of these were printed on my printer. Have some glue there. And I just did a cluster of flowers here as well as some of those pretty butterflies. I thought that came out super cute. The next side looks like this, and I used one of those zebra carousel animals, and I used some of my peach crepe paper behind it. This bow right here is actually a vellum bow that I hot glued on, and then I put a little pearl at the top of the carousel horse to make it just a little bit more prettier. The next side looks like this, and it says so sweet, and it has this really cute bird as well as this printable heart that is like a layered Maggie Holmes heart. Really cute. It also has this bow here, of course, and I put a little pearl bling right there on the bow. I thought that came out really cute. And then the final side looks like this, and it has this tag. It has the word yay. This word was actually cut with my Silhouette Cameo as well. It did a great job on that. And then this little pinwheel as well as this little bee, and I thought that came out really cute. So everything is on top of the hot pink or the fairy pink Basil paper, and then this is the Petals and Blooms paper here. So this box is really cute, and I love it because it's not just a simple gift box, although it may look like just a simple rectangle gift box. When you take the lid off of it, you'll see that there are 3 drawers in the inside, and those drawers fold out like this. Super cute, and they become like little matchbook or matchbox drawers. And so I got glue everywhere, stuff everywhere. So this is pretty much the way it should be, is this way. because the little camera, I just put a little camera down here at the bottom, and then this says something so wonderful. These are printables from the Maggie Holmes digital kit as well. And so with the top off, now you can see the drawers, and you can see how you can actually stick things inside of the drawers to send to your friends or family. You can put gift cards inside of here. You could put treats inside of here. This could be for a birthday, anything that you want. You know, I just put a lot of little crafty goodies in the inside of each one of the drawers, just to show you guys what it looks like. And I kind of pushed the drawers from the back because, you know, it is paper, so it's not the most sturdy, but it is pretty sturdy. And so when you fold it up, it just all folds back up just like this. And you take your lid and you just put it back on just like that. And I think that this makes a wonderful surprise for someone for their birthday, anniversary, just a friend gift, a pen pal gift, or what have you. I think this came out super duper cute and I love it. I will link down below the silhouette cut for this particular box if you guys are interested. I'll also link down below AC Digitals, where you can find the Maggie Holmes digital kit, and all the rest of the goodies that I created using this box were from Hobby Lobby, and just things from my stash. So that is about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to visit all the ladies in the lineup and leave them a sweet comment. I'm not sure if some of the ladies are doing giveaways this time around, but I would definitely love for you guys to check out what each lady has created, because believe me, we all are working very hard to bring you guys some awesome videos that will inspire you guys to pull out those things that you may not have thought about pulling out, and just playing and having a good time. Alright guys, so that is about it. As always, if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and I'll get back with you as soon as I possibly can. Take care, guys. Bye.